Welcome back to the shop. The day has finally come. It is time to paint the E420 Sport. You can see I've got it all masked off, taped up, ready to start laying down some sealer. Got to wipe it down first. Of course, here's the excuse me. Here's the part you guys haven't seen on my paint booth. This is the exhaust port. I've got that, like I said, this is a big old vinyl sheet, clear sheet that's actually connected all the way in the corners of the shop. You can, I don't know if you can tell, you can see it that where it's, anyway, it's Velcroed out there all the way around the perimeter. And then I got it taped to the plastic that I put up in the last episode. Got some wood dowels for reinforcement, and there's my exhaust filter. I'm gonna do a little something different on this car. Normally I leave the filter, the whole job, one filter. What I'm gonna do this time is I'm gonna change the filter between coatings. So after sealer, I'm gonna change the filter out. After the base, then I'm gonna change the filter out. Then we'll do clear. So, because like I had said before, I get a lot of overspray in here and it really clogs this filter up. This being the only exhaust in this booth, it does get pretty clogged pretty quickly. So anyway, I'm gonna wipe her down, get the sealer mixed up, and start spraying. And here we go with the sealer. Don't know if you can hear me with the fans, but I'm leaving them on. Not looking too shabby. Changed the filter. I've already tack ragged it. Yeah. Cool. Now it's time for some color. And here we are in base coat. And just for the record, no, it is not black. Kind of looks black. Well, there's no kinda about it. It does look black, but it is not black. Alright, now let me throw some clear on it and we'll see what she looks like after that. And here she is with a clear coat. Clear coat on it. I went ahead and unmasked it because I didn't want anything to bridge. You can see where I had some tape covering the holes for where the door moldings fit on. I didn't want paint going inside the door, so I covered those up. Don't care if it looks weird right now because it's going to be under the molding, which has already been painted. And yeah, looks black, doesn't it? Now let's see. Hopefully you can tell, you can see that. It's a Mercedes color. It's called Emerald Green Metallic. In the shadows, looks black. Sunlight. I know I can't, this isn't showing real well on camera here, but it is Emerald Green Metallic. Whew. I've already got all the other pieces painted. Yeah, you can kind of see the greenness in that. It's really going to pop in the sun. Anyway, I'm gonna let it sit for a couple days before I touch anything, before I start reassembling the car. I'll take the paint booth down and get everything out of the way so we can have more room doing it. But yeah, so I'm gonna give it a couple days and we'll start reassembly. But I think this is probably gonna do it for this video. I'm gonna do the reassembly in the next one. You see, I had the gas filler covered up. I didn't want to get paint on it, all that, so whatever. The gas cap is painted. There's some trash in it here and there. You can probably see it. It didn't come out as flat as I wanted, so there will be some polishing in the future. So, but I wasn't expecting a perfect concours paint job given the, you know, the temporary plastic paint booth here. It did hold back a lot of trash, but you know, it was inevitable. I'm not surprised. You might be able to see there's a couple of, can't really get them, a couple of spots right there, a couple in the hood, and it's not real flat. I like my paint to be really flat and shiny, so there's going to be some polishing, and we will do that once I get the car back assembled. That'll be in the next video. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll get you next time.